Yay! Today is, what is it, October 17th, I believe. We just came from church. Get your ball! Get your ball! Get the ball, baby! Get the ball, Callie! Where's the ball? Kick it! Pick it up. Kick! Get your ball! Get your ball, baby! Where are you going? Come back! No! Come back, baby! Where's the ball? Where's the ball? There's the ball. Kick it, kick. That's it, kick. You be a soccer player. What did you see? What, baby? That's okay. What did you see down there? One, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yay! Such a good girl in church. Run. Skippy skip. Come back. Get your ball. You waving. Kick it. Wish we had leaves back here to crunch in. What'd you hear, baby? Aw, you hugged Grandma. So sweet, babies.
You're good.
We gotta cut them bangs. Yeah. Grandma should have put pony in her hair. Didn't have time. What's that? You see that bug flying? What's that? Oh, what is it though? Bug. That's a bug. Flying. I don't think it was a bee or a wasp though. Dan, Grandma have to shoo you away if it was. Jump! Jumping bean. Callie little jumping bean. Yay! Yay! So much stuff in the backyard. Doesn't belong to any of us. Or me, I mean. Oh, my grandma didn't even clean off the garden this year. Hey, ball. Eat that ball. Uh-oh, what's there? Uh-oh, what you see? What's that? Oh, that's the stuff we brushed out of the garage. Swept out. Right under Grandma. Right under Grandma's. What are you doing? You're a little sounder than you come to Grandma. Aw, precious girl. Precious, precious girl. Grandma love you. I love you. I love you. You dancing? Oh, no, you stay down. No, no, no. Then we go in the house. Uh-oh. Here we go. Come back.